Hello everyone and welcome to my channel Coding Cart. So in this session we will be solving on HackerRank problem from the topic iter-tools in Python. So you can see here the problem name is iterables and iterators. So let me first explain you this problem in a simple way. Here the problem states that you will be given a list of character. So let me take a list of character like A, C, D as per given in the problem statement. And they are saying it is one based indexing. So 1, 2, index will be 1, 2, 3 and 4. And you will be provided a k value. Here for the very first sample test case they have taken 2. So we have to make the total combination of the indexes such that each element in the combination contains only k elements. So the combination will be, if I am taking only 2 elements at a time for these indexes, so the combination will look like 1 2 1 3 1 4 2 3 2 4 and 3 4. Now they are saying in this total combination, here the total combination is 6. So in this total combination, is there any combination where the index of A is present or not? Here the index of A is 1 and 2. So they are saying, the problem is saying that we have to find the total probability such that the index of A is present in this combination. So you can see here the index of A is 1 or 2, means from each combination whether the index 1 or 2 is present or not. So you can see here 1 is present and 2 is also present. So this will be counted for the probability of A. Again 1 and 3, 1 is present here. So this will be counted. Again 1 and 4, 1 is present. 2 and 3, 2 is present. 2 and 4, 2 is present. So out of this total 6 combination, in the 5 combination the index of A is present. So the probability will be 5 by 6. So they are saying that we have to find this probability, means out of the total combination, means in how many combination the index of A is present. So this is the problem statement. So you can see here they have taken the list as A C D. As it is one based indexing, so it will be 1 2 3 4. So they have made the total combination as we have made this one. Now the total probability is 5 by 6. The total occurrence of index A is in 5 combination. So probability will be 5 by 6. So let us try to solve this problem. So let us try to solve this problem not on the basis of index but in a some another way. We will simply make a combination of the total characters, and from each combination we will check whether A is present in that combination or not. If it is present, then we will simply count that one. So let me first write the code here in a simple way. So the input format is, the very first line is how many elements will be there in the list, and second is the total list, and the third is the k value. So let us build the logic here. Let us first take the input. The very first is the n equal to integer value. The second is the list value. So let us take the list. Input dot split. Now we have to take as a character type. So it will work. No need to change. And third is the k value. So k equal to int of input. So now we are done with the sample input. Now we will simply make the total combination of these characters. So for making the combination, we will simply use combination from the iter-tools. From iter-tools, we will import combination. Now we will make a combination and save it in a C. C equal to list of combination. List of combination of list L, and the elements in each combination will be K. So we are done with the total combination. Now from each combination I will simply iterate throughout this combination from for I in combination. For I in C I will check A, I will check the character A is present or not. A in I. If it is present, we will simply keep that value in a list. It's like we are making a combination like, suppose this is the combination. We have made this combination and we are iterating each combination, and in each combination we are checking whether this A is present or not. Suppose this is the index, but we are not taking the index, we are taking simply the elements. So the value will be, let me write that one. Suppose the combination will look like A, A, C and D. This is my list. So the combination will look like A, A, C, A, D, A, C, A, D and C, D. So this will be my C, list C. So for each combination I am checking whether A in, for example for this combination A comma C, I am checking whether A is present in this combination or not. If it is present, then I am simply taking this combination in another list. I am simply taking this combination in this another list. I am saving this list as a, suppose, result, R equal to result. Now we will simply print the result as, if A is present, means we have, from this iteration we have filter out the total combination in which A is present. Now we will simply take the length of this list, length of R. So this will give me the total list in which A was present, and we'll simply divide with the total combination. So length of total combination C. Now we are done with the coding. So let us execute this by taking a sample test case, sample input. We are getting a compilation error. We have to check. Oh, I have forgot the if. If A in I. So now you can see here we are getting the output. But they are saying in a note, you can see here, the answer must be up to 3 decimal place. So for that we will simply modify this print statement. We will simply use percentage dot up to 3 character, 3f. Let us execute this one and see. So okay, we are getting up to 3 decimal place, 0.833. Okay, we are getting the correct answer. Let us run and submit this code. So we have passed the sample test case. Just submit this code. So congratulations, we are done with the all the test cases. So if you like this video, please do give thumbs up and subscribe to my channel and stay tuned for the next video. Thanks for watching.